As your diet counselor, I'm very proud of how good you ladies look, losing all that weight and becoming so slender.
We
Well
rock!
done.
It just wouldn't be possible without you, Craig. Whenever I call you, I know I can resist food cravings. My self-esteem skyrockets. Because you believe I'm thin, I believe I'm thin.
Well, I believe you are quite slim.
Hey, Craig, can I have your cell phone number too?
Of course.
Oh, got it right here, Bernice. It's dialing your phone, Craig.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny.
That is your ringtone for me?
You
Simply
too.
OMG.
WTF.
I should probably go.